What's up guys, good morning from Malaysia. I hope you have a fantastic day and I just arrived in Malaysia and the flight was of just 1 hour. Let's go for the immigration process. I completed my immigration process and I just paid Rs 1000 from Singapore to Malaysia via Scoot Airlines. Even you can also travel via bus, but it's also very less expensive via air. Now let's go to the Kuala Lumpur where I booked my hostel for 2 days. And I bought the train ticket which will goes to Kuala Lumpur within 30 minutes and I paid 40 ringgits, which is Malaysian currency. Well, train starts from the basement and there are two platforms, platform A and platform B. I need to stand in front of platform A. I am waiting for my train and it's look like very old railway station. Train is now arrived. It's look like Japanese train from the outside. Let's go inside. The interior of the train is awesomely beautiful. It's morning 9 AM in the Malaysia now and I want to actually sleep in the train, but there is no sleeper class. The outside view from the train is always been amazing. And you can see my face, I am very tired and want to sleep because last night in the Singapore I did not sleep because I was eating the ice cream, that red beans ice cream. Finally I am arrived at Kuala Lumpur. So let's go for the bus. And even according to me, everyone is tired, no one want to use the stairs, everyone want to use the elevator. Look at this, not even a single person using the stair. I am now outside of the Kuala Lumpur, and be careful when you are in Malaysia, use the government buses, it's totally free or they charge very less. And when you are in Singapore, use the MRT trains. And don't use the cab in Malaysia, it's very costly. And now I need to go to the opposite side to take the bus for my hostel and I need to go from the basement. And now I am waiting for my bus, it will come within a few minutes. My bus is arrived and look at this, it says Pasar Seni. And I paid just 1 ringgit, which is of 18 rupees, and it will take 15 minutes to arrive into my hostel. And this bus is beautiful. It's a long bus. And finally I am arrived outside of my hostel. It's not looking good from the outside, but I just paid $10, so it's good. And my next video will be of my hostel tour, so if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get the notification first of my next video. Very thank you for watching. God bless you and your family.